Hi everyone, welcome to CodersArt. This is the second part of NumPy tutorial. In the part 1 we have explained basic things like what is NumPy, how to install it, how to create array, single dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional, and also explain how to check size, shape and dimensional of the array. If you are a beginner and if you want to learn NumPy from start, please watch our previous video. Now in this video we are going to learn how to access and change the element row column of the array and other basic things. So let's start. Here first we create array a equals to np dot array. This is two-dimensional array. Now let's see how to print the specific element of the array. Here we pass the row index and column index. Index start from 0, so this is the first row. I am printing this value, so this is the first row. So here I pass 1 and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, third column. Here 4. Now let's print the first row of the array. Here I pass the row index 0th, comma. Here we can see print the first row here. Now let's print the third column of the array. I am printing this column, so I pass here 2. Now let's see, replace this value with 10. Let's see how. The first row, first column equals to 10. Here we can see the value is replaced. Now if you want to print this 3 value, then a row index comma start index 0 1, so 1 here, comma 0 1 2 3 and 4th. So it will print the these three values. Now let's have a look how to access element from three-dimensional array. Here I am creating the three-dimensional array. Now you can see here I have created a three-dimensional array here. Now I want to print this second element here. So for that, here 0th one 0th row, this element. You can print any element from like this, like this. We can change the of the array. So let's see how to change. Here I'm changing this. So for that, let it work. It's a basic of the index. Now let's go through how to initialize different types of array. Let's start with 0. Here I am calling the built-in function np0s and specify the shape like this. If I pass here 2 by 2, and sorry guys, here like this. If I want a three-dimensional array, then type here 2 by 2 by 3 like this. Now let's look how to print all one matrix. Three dot ones 2 comma 1 by 2. This. If you want to create another number of matrix, so for that, 2 by 2 and comma, here I specify the number like this. You can specify the data types here like this. We can create a matrix with random decimal numbers like that. np dot random dot and 4 comma 2 like this. 5 by 2 by 3. Here the random number between 0 and 1. Also we can create a matrix like random integers np dot random dot and int 4 comma 2 comma sorry comma size 3 by 3 like this. The number between the 5 and 10 is we can copy the array like this. C equals to a dot copy. We can perform mathematical operation with array. So let's see. If I write here a plus 2, sorry, it add to each element of the array. It subtract 2 from each element. It's multiply by 2 to each element. Divide everything by 2. You can add another array in D. So let's see. B dot array 2 comma sorry guys. We can add two array like this. If you want to sign off all the values, then like this. So that's it for today guys. We will explain other things in the next video. Thank you.